Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and it's a bright day which God have granted us. Guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, comment, share on my channel, guys. Sharing, it's caring, guys. If you're caring, please share my videos. And in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, so that the best way we can support Hello Baby Official. This I'm calling home, and actually I'm pointing to, that's my house. Wow. And to be honest, guys, on today's videos are very special. So I'm around at home, and on today's videos I'm shoot on Sunday. So it depends, guys, the time and day, when you're watching these videos. I know other people maybe Sunday have not reached, but I know most of the people right now, it's the time want to prepare going to church. But for us here, people have already came from the church. So on this beautiful shade here we have avocados, and then, guys, where I'm pointing to, I want to do some exercise, guys. So that's the best way. So sometime no fuel, no riding motorbike, and me, I'm just genuine. Even like no fuel, I'll ride a bicycle. Come we say hello, sister. That's my sister. So it's been long. Fungahap. I'm telling her fungahap. Afukuza kukuja sasa. Okay. She wants to chase out the hens because they dried maize inside. Fukuza. You see? Look. Over here, look.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Na kifarangu umekiacha ndani? Okay. I'm asking her. So. Okay. Waiting some small chicks right there. Alright, come, sister. Wow. So before I left, for the somebody who asking, how was your sister doing? You good?
I'm fine.
You're fine, okay? What's your name?
Martha Nyabon.
Martha Nyabon.
Yes.
These are kitenke, guys. This one are kitenke, African clothes. So I know for my entire world, my sister have around, let me say 100%, my sister has friends, who take care of them, love her, and she just over here. Hey, and her hair is growing so big, so quick, guys. Okay, let me tight. Okay, guys, I want to button her this zip here like that. Okay, you go. Okay, she want to pray, guys. So this video may be for my premiere again. You will get it or not yet, because the time was so limits in my village here. So right now I'm trying to plan or to organize how I'll start to move from my home. So maybe this could be my last videos, but when I make a last video, guys, you will see. So be ready for this journey, and I want to see if I can make it, guys. So traveling have some challenges here and there, right, left, center, So, but I need to experience a little bit. So that being said earlier, I have been Kisumu twice, Nairobi once. So let's see, let's explore, guys. The world is bigger. So when maybe when you have money, you can travel elsewhere. But if it doesn't have money, maybe, man, let me tell you, you stay at home like this over 100 years. So I need to experience my country, and then when I came back, I'll start to prepare building my mama house. So right now, as I speak on my videos, even I can't remember, guys, which videos. Maybe it's on January. I told you before I build my mama house, I want to travel a little bit, and then guys, please, when I'm starting my travel, be with me. So this all updation, I made like 2 videos I told you I'm ready to travel, you know. So this house, you'll never see them here, guys. Please, please. I will start what I have and then I keep pushing, because when I build my toilet or our toilet, it's expand my mind. So I built a toilet with nothing, but this one, my mom's house, at least we have a little bit materials. So the cows are rotating here, you know. So there's no place where you can go and graze the cow, because everywhere is maize, you know. So we give them some foods here and then we go. So I think it's on my last videos, people ask me, one subscriber asked me, hello baby, when did you going to start building a mama house? In the month of June, I'm waiting the owner to harvest maize, and then I'll start to cut these trees down. Imagine, that's money to split timbers, removing this sand, to revitalize the field, you know. All of works need money. And then at the end of this month, before I left home, I supposed to pour or to bring 2 tippers for the sand. Right now my pocket can't reach to buy the next strip blocks, guys, to be honest. So I need to balance my budget, because even me, I'm so tired going around my home. So by purchasing these blocks, guys, I'll pause a little bit, and then who knows, but God knows, guys. So one trip like this, it goes to $450. And I made my videos with my engineer, so technically he told me you want to have 2,500 blocks for the starting, and then we'll see. But for now, guys, let me start with 2,000, guys, please. But for this month, my pocket can't allow. So my pocket allowed a little bit, half of the month that I bought that one. So I'm running to buy the sand, because I'm supposed to buy this is the month or period of a good season to buy sands, because it's raining, and then the river collects a lot of sands. Because when I bought the sands during dry season, man, I'll get a big loss. So this month I'll do something, and I want to prepare where I'm going to put that sand, because man, it's a lot. I think by on Tuesday and Wednesday I bring the guy to remove this stuff from here. So I think here where I'm going to put the sand, here, one trip there and then another trip here. So when maybe in the month of June, I put the balance stones here. Also, yeah, I put the balance stones here, one trip, and then the blocks will arranged like vertical, you know, or horizontal, doing this way. Then start from other side. Man, let me tell you, it's a lot. But we have the stones on the other side right there. I think that one. Even right now I have extra like 2 tippers, so which I haven't brought to the site, but let me settle down, guys. So at least, guys, I show you things which you normally see on TV. So on today's videos, guys, it's to exercise myself. So a little bit I show you how things is. And that's my grandma home, or my dad's parents' home, and that's my dad's home. So I'm trying to renovate it, guys. Please be with me on this journey. And me, I want to say thank you so much for those people who supporting me by watching my videos, comment, share, like. My God bless you. And also, guys, thank you so much for those people who supporting me in a financial way. My God bless you abundantly, and my God give you longer life, guys. Keep supporting Hello Baby Official, and also, guys, support the rest. So remember, on these videos, subscribe to my channel. Check out Felistas, guys. Right now, guys, on my yesterday premiere, she get around, I think she get around from 970, from 968. Right now, she was almost 980, guys. Imagine, that's closer to how many subscribers, guys? Let me see. Oh, almost around 15 subscribers. That's a big improvement. So today, she was like only 20 subscribers, guys, to hit 1K. So, and then when she turn 1K, we want to deal with subscribe, okay? Okay, Kuhusu? Antani sim. Irimire. Nyabwere. Antani sim ubayan. Okay, guys. So there's somebody asking me the phone, like to take photos and send to somebody. I'm telling them my phone went off. So guys, only 20 subscribers for Lisa to reach 1K, guys. Support. On the other side, she was a daughter to my beloved mom. She was a daughter to my beloved dad. Please support. And then she was a daughter or a sister to another sister. She was a sister to another brother. Please support her, guys. I'm trying to support her, and then to put good videos, you know. I'm encouraging her. One day she'll enjoy, guys, you know. Me, I'm just I'm trying to advise young youth outside there. If Hello Baby can try to make it, guys, why not you? Please, my young youth outside there, especially my age mate, please, if you're watching these videos, it will touch you. Support your parent. Support everybody as you can. Support your friends, parents, you know, but first thing, support your parent as you can. If you have both parents, please support them. Help them. Help them. Help them. You know, no time for wasted, guys. So that house, it's bigger, guys. Even right now, I'm speechless. The house, we start from this angle here, going up to other side. Whew. But Hello Baby, a man can try. I'll never give up, guys. And I know most of the people, you are waiting this day to become. The day is on the way. And I remember, maybe I will start anytime, guys. When you see I'm trying to cut these timbers down, you already know. So guys, let me go and show you. Today I feel like no motorbike rider. So I have two things here, guys. On my family, I say God thank you, because we're blessed to have two motorbike. I have my mountain bike. Before YouTube, guys, let me show you what I did before YouTube. I was hustling as a handman, and then going to people's construction. I said, okay, let me buy this mountain, and then riding, going to look for the job. So just over here, and like no one who have this mountain bike in my village. So before I leave, let me show you what I'm going to do. Let me show you guys. I'm taking the small stick. Mama, ate mikata kuma ngombe no kami gorohan. Mikwa ba ngombe no kami gorohan no kibiri kuiruta. Okay, guys, I'm calling my mama to tell my brother there is one of the cow like try to pull and eat my neighbor's maize. Mama, come and say hello. Okay, guys. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Yes, umekula nini?
Wali.
Wali means rice, cooked rice. Okay, ma'am, me today. Naenda kuendesha baiskeli. Next week. Tasema bye bye. I will start traveling. Nataka nisafiri kidogo. Haya. Bara hii mwezi. Next hii wiki tunayoanza. Jumatano ama Alhamisi. Nitamwaga michanga roli 2 ndio nije kutoka. Haya mama.
Haya.
I'm telling mama, before I left home, I'm going to bring 2 lorries, and then I left home for some couple of weeks or days. It depends, guys. If you mind Hello Baby to stay like 1 week, you support on that, guys. So this stick, it helped me to remove some oil here, which stick here, you know, look, like this one, you see. So, and then it's helped the chain rotate quick and fast, you know, quick and fast. Guys, look how the handles looks like. Imagine, the crazy thing about this my mountain bike, it's different rather than other people. So it's the brake, also it's the gear, brake gear, I'm telling you. So here we have I think this gear, we have number one, the biggest, middle and smaller one. So here is to reduce, but here you see, here is to add. And then when you do like this up, is to touch the brake. Is to adjust the brake. So today my baby will racks here, but tomorrow I'm trying to wash them. So it's been long. Guys, you see, you press here going like choop, you are adding the gear, but this one here to reduce. So guys, and this is how my bike looks like. HD Alfina. Univega is Univega.com, www.com, Univega. So and this is aluminium, you know. So also guys, it has a disc brake, you see. So right now, before I'd go around and then I'll take them to the car wash, because it's long time. I need the guy to wash, and then we start launching the bike. Maybe for the premiere again, you will see my magic. So it's time to left home. And also here I add some hydrochloric brake inside here, and then you do like this, and then like no cable. This is only cable for the brakes. Like no wire like this inside. Wow. Okay. Wow guys. We have two bikes. But on my previous videos, if you're watching my videos every day, you see me renovating that bike and then give to my cousin to ride, and then start maybe, I think from next week, to bring some $2 per day. $2 per day, guys. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Hey, it's been long. I haven't been used on this mountain bike, but it is what it is. It is what it is. A man can't try. Who is hello baby? I'm being like that. Okay, guys. Wow. Let's go. Woo, 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 woo. Whoa. And I'm a ghost rider, guys. Whoa. Mama, she was laughing for me riding the bicycle, guys. Because this front brake, this one on my right hand, because they misuse them. This is the left, the back brake. Mommy, I'm ready to go.
Hi.
My mama laughing me to see me riding the bicycle. Hiya. Let's go, guys. Hiya. Oh. Let me tight my camera, guys. Oh my god. Like that one there. I love this cow, guys. This baby cow free. I love this cow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys, let me exercise for the first time. Before I left the village, maybe I will miss these things, you know. Guys, through you, I managed to travel a little bit. So here, when I'm standing here, guys, I'm totally confused. Should I go this way or that way? When I'm going this way, go to Nyabuhanse. When I'm going that way, I'm going to Border Town and then take a U-turn to Nyabuhanse. But I don't want to go to shortcut because I'm making some exercise. So let's go this way, guys. That way. Whoa. Whoa. Yes. Whoa. At least on this hand as my back brake, I will adjust and then the bicycle goes slowly. No pressure, guys. Let's do this. Whoa. My boss. Chorero. Yeah. This brake. It's touching here. Okay, guys. Rangi gendi robi kara nyumba. Ipo nita kwenda gendi. Huwe.
Hi guys.
Tatanya kau juga tak cangkok di situ. Woo! Oh my god. I'm going slowly, guys. You see? Right here. Let's go. These videos will not I'll never shoot longer because I'm exercising, guys. See my I'm exercising, guys. Like that. Babu, wait. Hey. See, guys, I'm on shorts, riding like that, heading that way. Hey, fish. People that are wondering, guys. Hello, baby. I'm riding a bicycle. Yeah, it's good to exercise, guys. So maybe these videos will depend the title, guys. Woo! On my knee, I feel something else. Okay. Yeah, let's exercise, guys. You see, guys, when I'm around at home, I normally do exercise, guys. You know, full of green vegetation. Mama Africa. When I'm saying Mama Africa, I mean Africa, motherland. Okay, let's push. I'll reach out to Brother Dagi, and then maybe it depends. I'll take a U-turn or I'll go to Nyabohansi. I will see, guys. I will see. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. Wow. Woo. Whoa, whoa. There's a shop here in our village. Wow. Let's go. Okay. That is me riding the bike, you know. That's how the roads looks like, guys. Oh my god. Wow. I think, guys, if I do like this, yeah, that's the best. You see me riding the bicycle. Okay. Yeah, I think that one's the best, you know. Holding both handles on my bike. Brother Dagis is not around. I think, guys, should I put here? Because riding the bicycle. Yeah. I think there. Okay, guys. Right now, I'm free to go. Yes, guys. Whoa. Hey. Okay, guys. If I could have, I'll try to see those handles, guys, to unmount on my bicycle and then riding, you know. I think I'll go to Border Town because it's a little bit hilly, so to make an exercise, guys. Yep. Yeah, going to Border Town, it's hilly, and then coming from Border Town going to Nyabohansi, I'll pause because it's slow. because I need to make an exercise of my legs, you know, to be adjustable. Yay, making an exercise, guys. It's running. Woo! Alright, guys, that is me. Siro, Toyota. That is me. Oh yeah, fresh. Yeah, guys, I'm balancing. Okay, this is a dump site here, guys. You normally pass here, but okay, let's use this one. Enjoy my ride, guys, in my village with my bike. Wow. Imagine, guys, this is the kind of situation that we have in our village here. The dam site is smelling and we have leaders. What a kind of a shame, guys. Oh my God. Guys, I'm almost to meet the tarmac road. Wow. This road trip with my bike, I'm experienced at the same time I'm doing an exercise, guys. So I'm remaining with 100 meters apart from here to meet the tarmac. See that car right there? Is the tarmac, guys. As I told you earlier, yeah, it's a tarmac, guys. So when I'm going this way, I'll go to Nyabohansi. But I'm doing an exercise. I want to climb the hill, guys, going to Border Town with my bike. Serious? Okay, no problem, guys. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah. This is the tarmac road which connects East Africa. The border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Tajiri. Let's go. Fresh. Guys, people that are wondering what I'm doing. Oh my God. Let's move. Right. Okay. Let me do this. I think I'll go check even my mechanic who do some service on my bike. So there. Oh, it's too much sunny. But I'll keep showing you guys how things go. You know, today's a magic in my village. Wow. Yeah, I love to climb this hilly, so to exercise my leg and also to increase my chest, you know. Let's go. Look that view, guys, on the other side. Woo. These are sawdust here. Okay, let's go. A man can try. Wow. Okay. Okay. At night, I'll sleep like a goat, totally tired. See? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, I'll reach at a point, I rest a little bit and then continue my journey. Okay. Wow. Border town. I finished the tough place. Hey. Whew. Okay. That's V-Power Shell right there. I normally fill my bike, the gas there. Right. Let's go. See these lorries, all trucks that are parking here. They are taking maize from border. The maize come from Tanzania, and then they are picked from here, pay tax, and then the maize going to Nairobi. Wow. Okay. Okay, guys. Wow. A man can try. Let's try. Oh. Building and construction take place on the other side right there. Okay. Oh. Guys, this is border town for you. People buying new stuff, furniture, chair, table, you see right there. Okay, let's move. Let's move. Okay. This is border town, guys, for you. I'm tired like a goat. For sure. I'm tired like a goat. This is Boratan for you. Alright guys. Wow. I'm heading straight. Whoa. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay. That's Land Cruiser, Sibania Police Station. If you make a mistake, you know guys. Okay. Wow. Wow guys. Tanzanian bike. Whoa. Okay. Let's move. Wow. Showing you how Boratan looks like. You know? Okay. Andemi. Eh? What? Yeah. Sipo na rekodi. Awoni. Pana rekodi. I'm just good. Yeah. I'm doing some exercise. Maybe next week inaanza hapo vitu matano kwenda mbele sana. Should I give you my mountain bike? Danga amenongera.
Yes, nini patanga jana?
Sasa pikipiki ikumiaga. He was my classmate. Okay. We're doing oh my god. Like 90% of my classmates that really hustling in Boratan here. So let's move. Okay. Wow. The journey is so long, but I managed to pass. Today the bank have been closed, Equity and Cooperative. You know the bank, it will work from Monday up to Saturday. Then Sunday, people is to relax. You mean? Okay. Wow. Let me see the guy who make my hair on the other side. Oh, that's the KK. Hey. Oh. Suna, go poa. Sit here. Okay guys, I'll have a rest a little bit because I'm sweating guys. Like a goat. Anyway, the man and check us out.
Hello guys, I'm called Patrick Suna. I'm here in Hispania. I do dreadlocks. Hello Baby is my client.
Yes.
And by the way, thank you for supporting Hello Baby.
Okay.
And I have a YouTube channel, you can go check me out. I'm called Suna Blackman. At Suna Black.
But we are not
yes.
black.
Yeah, I'm black. I'm not seeing me.
Okay.
I'm black. Yeah, Suna Blackman at Suna Black.
Okay.
Go check me out.
Si unataka nikate nywele yangu.
Mbona sana?
Si zimekuwa kubwa.
Ah,
Zimelingana hivi.
bado ni kidogo.
Zimelingana ya wewe.
Nana amekuroga.
Nimesweti kweli. Kwanza nikae hapa. Vipi?
Hiyo ni kitu yenye nimeweka hapo ama ni kitabu?
Tony, say hello my brother. Kitani.
Hello guys,
Nikukura
this
quiz.
is Innocent Guy, Paul Blaton.
Guys, if you're watching my last videos, he was the guy who make my hair. Na umekuwa mwanamke mwanangu. American style. you think she's a lady?
Au African Negro.
Lakini uko na ndevu. African migo. Eti nini nimeweka? Ngoja. You good? Unaitwa nani? Nikumbusha jina. Zakaria. Ha?
Zakaria.
Nani?
Abdurazak.
Okay. Brenda. Ai, mimi niko huko.
Unaendelea?
Niko poa kabisa. Ai. Okay guys. He was a part of my fans. Also, he was a Muslim. If you are a Muslim, subscribe to my channel. That young boy, the biggest fan of mine. So guys, I'm sitting outside here, breathing fresh air from this angle, because inside there's a lot of activities going inside there. So I decided to sit here. Oh my god. Hey. Whoa. Ah. This is Border Town. Hey. I'll go back home to take shower again, guys, because I'm sweating a lot. But I must complete my day. Going this way and then heading to Nyabohansa, guys. Okay. Those are Muslim clothes right there. So I normally make my hair here. This one that you see, I was made it inside here, guys. Okay guys, I left that part, so let me go this way. Whoa! Okay. Wow guys, let's go this Border Town. Okay. Alright guys, so it's my time to ride. You know, I rest a little bit and then I said go. See guys right there, new Muslim or a mosque building right here. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. So I'm going to check the guy who do service for my bike. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, sorry, you know. So let's continue, guys, with our journey. Wow. I don't know how people treat me when I'm riding this bicycle. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, let's go. Hey, Grace. That's how Boyertown looks like. It's a business center, I'm telling you. This truck wants to take a corner. Keep going straight. Wow. Man, I'll do these things every day. Doing exercise every day. Wow. So, yeah. The other trailer is coming from at the back. Wow. Yeah. Every week I wanna do twice or thrice. So it needs, because it's a heavy machine, need to take a U-turn, bigger U-turn. Okay. Let's move. Move. Okay. So this Club Canais right here. Hey. Okay. Paulo. Amahoro mwana. Okay. Wow. Bado nisikia umeenda mgodini. Mwai, hii kitu inashika hapo mbele.
Inashika?
Hii brake hii. Nashika hizo spoke.
Nani alikwambia niende mgodini?
I bring my bicycle for the checkup. Tani kara hayo mangi. Kana pano?
Mbona mtu anasikia hayo mengine sasa? Hayo mengine wenye
kama pano tumeganga off camera gani?
Oh, ulikuwa umeweka off camera. Hata tukiwa tumekaa hapa hata tuko na queue.
Queue gani? Unaona pikipiki imenishia mafuta nikachukua baiskeli.
Leo umevaa kinyasa, ina maana kwa mazoezi. Kufanya leo kazi. Hizi ngoni za mazoezi.
No. I normally wear like that every day.
This is for mazoezi.
You are a boss. You see a jeans, Adidas.
Adidas, Freddy na Adidas.
Yes.
Ilakusa kwa wapi?
So uzungushe usikie ina.
Nyanyua hapa juu hizo.
Yeah. Nyanyua is to uplift. Kamera hizo spoku zinashika wewe zimejigwara. Umeona hadi hapo? Uone.
Mama nyadi kisungu kwa.
Yeah. It's slowly. That toolbox. If somebody disturb you, like, yeah. Yeah, let me show you guys. Hey. Mind on the control. Okay. I'm so tired like a goat.
So tired like a goat.
Like the goat when it's tired, say like meh, meh.
Just riding a bike is so tired.
Yeah.
But if walking
It's long. It's long time. I was riding motorbike.
You used to ride a motorbike. Today you have decided let me do.
No fuel. So I decided to ride a bicycle.
No, there is. You can't tell me there's no fuel.
No fuel.
Of which is your heart have told you today I need to ride. you can't bring many reasons. No, you're lying.
Mange kaliusikie.
Iwezi sasa.
Suronje sasa unakutekelezeka. Wewe mzee kalia beskeli nyonga usikie vile iko.
Nimehamisha kuja kurudi hivi.
Nyonga sasa usikie vile iko.
Sasa istandi kabisa tuje tununue standi na ningine.
Gani? Iko shilingi ngapi? Guys, he told me I need to buy a new stand. Gani? Iko kama hii. Iko?
Hiyo ya design hamna.
Siku unaweza kupachika hapa. Eti hapa? Sitaki hizo. Kama iko ya kununua ya pembeni tunaweza nunua tu. Hiyo nadani iko. Sasa mimi naenda.
Sasa unajua ubaya ni upi? Fuata tikiti hapo.
Ubaya ni when uliweka break upande wa kulia.
Sasa kama ujui. You are a big traveler. Hey.
Unajua mimi nilijua hii ndio wa nyuma.
Hakuna, hii ndio ya nyuma. So guys, it's time to go. Mange asante. I said thank you. Asante is a Swahili word. Wewe bado wote yangu na muda.
Kama waiko ama.
Alright guys, this is Nyamira Express heading to Nairobi. Right. Ninazunguka. Guys, today is on Sunday. Most of the shops have been closed. You can see. This is Kamkunji Center business right here. Okay, let's go. Hello baby on the control. Yeah, at the time guys, I make an exercise for sure. I don't want maybe any time from January to December on motorbike. Never. Okay. Whoa. Guys, you see this old bus that you see here? Guardian, Ena Coach, they're going to Nairobi. Galax. You see, this is Ena Coach going to the coast right here. Wow. I've also this one here. Wow. Let's move. Okay. Whoa. 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 got a town for you. But let's do. Oh my God, we shall meet that back at home.